Welcome to Global Impex, manufacturer and exporter of construction and engineering machines. We are an ISO 9001-2008 anti-UV certified company, incorporated in the year 2003, at Coimbatore. We export to East Asia, Middle East, and other countries. Easy payment options, excellent logistics support, experienced and expert manpower help us to attain an enviable position in the industry. We offer a wide array of concrete, conveyors, and paver block machines. Our concrete block making machines are well known for their impeccable performance. Concrete and cement mixing machines offered by us are extremely reliable. Our other construction machines are widely acclaimed in the market. We also provide block maker machines that are best in the industry. Along with that, we offer conveyors and paver block machines that are a class apart. To know more about us, please visit our website www.blockmatchingindia.com.